Okay, hello everyone and welcome to our YEA Big Physics Problem of the Week. Okay, so this week's problem is here. We have a 2000 hertz siren and a civil defense office official, which are both at rest with respect to the ground. And the question has two parts. The first part asks, what frequency does the official hear if the wind is blowing at 12 meters per second from the source to the official? And then what is this frequency if the wind is instead blowing from the official to the source? Okay, so this looks like a Doppler effect problem, and we know that in that case, frequency f prime is just equal to the velocity of, in this case, it would be the velocity of sound, because the official is going to be hearing something. That's v of sound plus or minus v of the observer over v plus or minus v of the velocity. That's the velocity of the source. Okay. So, and then of course times frequency of sound, and which would be 2000 hertz in this case. And well, now the problem is done. This is just Fs because this is just the velocity of the observer and the velocity of the source are the same because they are both at rest with respect to the ground. And if you look at it in the wind's frame, no matter which direction it blows, the source and the observer are still at rest with each other. So this is a very easy problem. It's just Fs, which is 2000 hertz for both parts A and B. So yeah, that's the answer. Very, very easy problem for this week. So yeah, thank you for listening to this week's lecture, and bye.